So dear students, earlier I have given demo videos based upon Window Movie Maker and Viva Video. But today, as government has already banned this Viva Video Editor as it is a Chinese app, so I'll not continue with this app, but I'll start teaching you KineMaster. It's more advanced video editor app which is used for doing video editing. So I'll start my demo with KineMaster. So first of all, I'll click on this icon here. This is the icon which is used to start KineMaster. Okay. So I'll start the KineMaster, and this is my first video based upon KineMaster, and this is the basic interface how the KineMaster looks like. I'll share the link how to install KineMaster. Although it is available on Play Store, but this one is a cracked one, so means all the features will be available to you. You can also use for learning purpose, you can also install from Play Store. So how to start? So I'll start with the new project, and side by side I'll explain you. So I'll press this button. Okay, I'll start with this button. So I'll press plus. So here it comes, select the aspect ratio of the project. So I'll go with 16:9. I'll click on this. So the screen looks like this. Basic interface as you have done Window Movie Maker. Here this is the basic interface. Right side you could see media is written on the top. Okay. So what I'll do now, first of all, where this marker you could see 000, this is the timeline as you have done in Window Movie Maker. So I'll start with pics. I'll make a small project by using some pics. I click on media. Okay. I'll click on camera. You can use any pic, whatever you feel like. So I clicked some pics for you. So I'll click on some of the pics. You could see the pics are coming down. I'll click on this tick sign on the top right. I click on this. So you could see, yes, you could see these videos. Although it is not a video, it is a pic, still these are the stills, but we can make it as a video. How to do it? Firstly, you could see the pic which I have captured is trimmed from left and right side. The black screen is coming because the size of the screen is more, the size of the pic is small. So this we have to increase. This is basically a timeline. Okay. So how to do this? Firstly, I'll press my finger on this pic. You could see this, the first one, yellow color you could see. Now here are some of the options: clip graphics, color filter, adjustment, where you could see the cut sign, scissor sign. The next option, I'll click on that, means to animate the pic. I'll just click on this. As I click on this, you could see start position, end position. What I'm doing here, I'll put my two fingers on this pic where you could see now this pic. You just put your two finger here, and just as you use in your mobile camera to zoom the pic, the same way I'll do here. I'll zoom it so that it takes the overall position and that black portion is been cut. Okay, I've done that, and then I'll click on the end position, and in the end position what I'll do, I'll zoom it more till here. This is okay for me, and then I'll click on tick. So how it looks, just see, I have animated this still one. If I'll click on play button here, just you see, isn't it nice? Okay, so I animated this, and the main benefit what I got, that black, like in this pic, the black portions on left and right side, it's gone, it's been trimmed. The same way what I'll do, I'll take the second pic here, again the same option I'll do, okay, and then I'll just this time I'll do little opposite. I'll zoom it till here, till this tree, I'll zoom it, okay, and end position what I'll do, I'll till here it is, till it takes the overall screen till here, okay. I'll click on tick. Now let's see how it looks. That means I'm able to produce animation in my still. I hope it is clear to you. The same way I'll do some animations here also, same. Now I'll do it fast. Same way I'll just click on tick at last. This tree I'll just try to do. I can move it up and down also, like suppose I'll just zoomed it, I brought my screen till here, and then end part I'll zoom it, and I'm bringing my screen this side, bottom, okay. This also I can do. If I click on tick, if you will see this, I've changed, it's moving from down to upside. So I hope it is clear to you what I have done. It's very easy software, and you will feel it more advanced comparing to Viva Video. Plus it supports plenty of layers, and this feature was not available in your Windows Movie Maker. So means you will all try to make your movies in this software. Now those who have made, no problem, but you can learn this software also, okay. So today you have learned how to insert media in your timeline and how to start. So now only the problem what I'm finding here, if I just click on play, in between you could see some small squares. Actually this is the place for transitions. You know the transitions very well, because in Viva Video Editor and Windows Movie Maker I taught you the transitions. So what I'll do, I want the transitions, how to do it, that also I'll try to cover this. I'll click in between, and you could see here transition effect. So plenty of transition effects are there. I'll just try to insert some transitions. Let's see this one. Yes, I'll click on tick. Let's see how it looks. I'll just click on play button. Okay, this looks nice. Then second, transitions, this menu bar will come automatically in front of you. Now I'll see how it looks. See what effect. Just to check, it's going on, and just see lightning is coming, okay. And then third one, I am having many effects I have already downloaded. Let's see. Okay, this one is looking good for me. So let's see. Now I'll click on tick, and now I'll try to play this, and just see how it looks. These are the transition effects, lightning, and then the last effect. So okay, I hope This is looking more interesting to you, and this is very handy. On your mobile you are doing all the editing, and your export quality will be of very high percentage. Means clarity will be more. So how to do it, how to go ahead now? Now suppose one more point I want to tell you. Suppose this pic, I want to increase the size of the pic. Simply left and right side, I have to just increase my right side. Just you could see I have increased the size. Same way second pic, I want to increase the size. You could see I am increasing the size. Third pic, I have increased the size. So I hope it is clear to you. I clicked on tick. Now if I want to play this, okay, this is only the tutorial I am giving you. Don't make the movies like this and just give it to me. So I hope my first tutorial is very much clear to you. Now after that, simply because plenty of things you are knowing earlier, you have done Viva, you have done Window Movie Maker. If I want to export this movie, although it's very easy how to export, you could see here this option, okay, you could see where you could see the brush, along with the brush on the top, that is sharing option. That option, if I click on that option, you could see here resolution, export and share. I am going a little faster because plenty of things I have explained in earlier Window Movie Maker and Viva. Here plenty of options are there. It depends upon the power of your mobile, how much RAM is there, and how's the processor of your mobile. But simply also you could use HD. This you can use HD 720 or FHD 1080, and then you can click on export. So I'll not export just now because I have to make the movie. Okay, so here I'll try to stop my movie. This is the first part. Then I'll try that I'll able to upload a new part for you. So I'm stopping the first part. Till then, bye.